So AKA said that when he dies, he wants to come back as Sim Dope, the very Sim Dope that has been outed for being a cheater. Yeah, but maybe his heart is a pizza. He's got a slice for everyone. Yeah. Ngapha udine uvukile. Kwatele uNandi kufa. Uthi Nandi, women like you don't bring change. Ke Winnie. In life you have to be Winnie, not Nandi. Nandi is sweet like a lemon. Winnie was sour like plain yogurt. But what happened? She digested the digestibles and the apartheid came to an end. Yeah. This video is brought to you by Natural Cosmetics. Are you a lover of oil and natural products? Natural Cosmetics has got you covered. From aloe vera in liquid form, yebo, grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, jojoba, yebo, even sweet almond oil. They have got you covered, guys. Prices from as little as 120 Rand, 150 Rand. Invest in your health because your health is your wealth, especially when it comes to natural products. Natural Cosmetics is the girl for you. Delivery is 75 Rand. Yebo. So when you buy your products, keep in mind that delivery is 75 Rand. I will leave their information in the description box down below. You can contact them on WhatsApp and get your oils. What are you waiting for? That extra glow. 2026 is the year of intentional self-care. Yebo, Jan amukela kumqobo yami bomuntu abakadadi bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-auntie bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I'm sorry, Kamukhala, if you want more clients on your platforms. Don't forget that on the 28th of this month, we are hosting a mental check-in. Content creators, even if you are not a content creator and you want to get into content, we are just having a how are you doing day. It's 450 for a ticket. It includes food and drinks. You'll also be having a tasting of different spirits, as we will be hosting it at a tasting room on the iconic Vilakazi Street. Get your tickets, and dear management, if you can't afford a ticket, I'm asking management with money to buy tickets and sponsor tickets, please. For those that can't afford tickets, Nyantela, let this be a partnership. Thank you to Camille, one of our senior managers who is in Cape Town and said she's sponsoring a ticket for one person. So I'll be giving away a ticket. Hopefully, more management can step in and get other kids tickets, please. Thank you. Now, Simpiwe Gumete, aka Sim Dope, has been spotted celebrating his birthday, which he shares the date with aka No J. Cole, 28th January. They posted pictures on social media. The pictures were posted by his. I can't even say she's a side chick at this point because, like, their relationship is so public, you would forget that Usim Dope is married to Utseho. Tejo, who is his actual wife, but he's consistently being spotted out and about. Notumi, right? Who is the owner of TT Hair Couture Instagram. Sana, they are in this, like they are in this. Sim Dope's heart is a pizza. He has a slice for both of them. I'm just like, is this like a secret stembu? Is this like something that we are not a part of, but we are a part of it because they're putting it on social media and we have to like and say, no, you guys are so wrong. He's married, you know? Anyway, Tejo put out a subliminal status on her WhatsApp stories and said, God saw that. Do you know a praying wife? Oh, but baby, do you know a cheating husband? The STDs of it all. Did nobody watch Intersections? Did nobody watch Soul City? Sister Bettina, did you not know that the HI, you don't know that the Amakama Amatat KFC? Do you not know? Kori Streetwise 2 can get you sick, especially when you turn it into a family bucket meal, putting hands, different hands in that bucket. Bafana that are in different private part collaborations when they're supposed to be attending one Zoom meeting because they chose. You know, men that are married, they are the most single people, and they are the ones that ask to marry you, and then they cheat on you and embarrass you. But you know what, ne? This is just why I'm an ex-wife. There's a lot of things that I can't tolerate. This is exactly why I'm an ex-wife and I have so many colleagues at the divorce court because awa ubekezela. Speaking of ubekezela, Nandi Matita, my sister. How are you? No, I'm okay. How are you? Hmm? That podcast is making rounds. We all saw that Nandi Matita, who is Zex Bantwini's wife, blissfully married. She was on El Tito's podcast and she said that.
In a very genuine way. Seriously, our Black men have gone through so much. And financially, it is almost impossible to try empower yourself, even when you try. You know, the system's against you. You know, people don't have support from the government. You have 400 years of being, oppressed. Where is this money going to come from? You know? And so we do have to give our fellow Black men grace. And if you can see, the intention is to do better, and make someone something serious. That's a good guy.
Yeah.
And I mean that genuinely. I always say that, like, Black men, particularly, I'm going to speak about South Africa because I'm proudly South African. You guys are up against so much. Now there's more pressure because of social media. So there's this misconception that there should be no struggle.
Yeah.
Or just, get the bag. And that's not realistic. In a real world, in everyday world, you're trying the best you can.
Now, men were praising her. Men were so proud of this and said we should have Nandi as our role models because she understands what life is like for a man and that all they ask for is grace. The same grace that our great grandparents, all the wives from 1950, Kobitolo, who were begezelaring. The Winnie Mandela that begezeled for Mandela. And then when he came out of jail, he married another woman. All of us women who are being told by our aunts when we get married, indoda iyabekezelwa. Mosadi o tshwara pizza ya pota, ya bogala ka tsipa, ya o etsa so. We've been giving men grace. What more grace do you want from us? We understand the cards that men are dealt. We understand. But how long? Must we give this grace? Hey, the only grace I have is Grace Montana, man. Anyway, Dineo Ranaka saw this and she said, what? Excuse me? I also want to put in my 2 cents. Thank you for everyone who sent me money for Red Bulls and liked my videos and sent me some coins because you guys said, Sims, we don't want you using papers. So I took that money and got us a tablet. So thank you. Your money and donations do work on our channel. So thank you so much. Thank you. Anyway, this is what Dineo Ranaka said. She said, oh, I need the technology. Nandi, we must have a conversation about this empathy. I'm interested to unpack your entire point of view. I want to understand you, my sister. I'm struggling, not because of my personal experiences, but due to my observations of how the Black man has been moving at a micro and macro scale. This is not about how we relate romantically on a personal level with men and how we all know the basics. To be a patient, supportive partner, respectful, gentle, tender hearted, and loving, blah, blah, blah. Making poor choices and not having had a good experience with men. No one, no, ooh, isilungu, sorry. No, none of this is about any of that. This is not personal. This is structural. Every generation of women has a Nandi in it. Now, this is not a bad thing that every generation of women has a Nandi in it, but it is not the Nandis that shake up change. It's the Winnie Mandelas. Oh, Nomzamo Matikizela. In the season of life, may all the soft parenting women help us fight from the back, please. Your turn will come to lead with softness. Right now, we need the paramedics to aggressively resuscitate our society. We need the tough love brigade of women to enter the chat. This is true because why is 90 social media filled with beautiful pictures and none of them with social causes? Guys, there is one thing that I don't like, and this is one thing that I've always said. Women that stand for nothing scare me. There is no justice for Kwekwe. There is no fight against GBV in a country filled with femicide. There is no cause. There is just no, it's just flowers and butterflies in your head. I love it for you, Nandi, that you live a very sheltered life and you see nothing wrong with anything and you just want to find positivity in everything. But in the country that you live in and with the influence that you have, please stand for something. I unfollowed so many influencers because I felt like they stand for nothing. Stand for one thing, just one cause, please. So this is what 90 is giving, just flowers, rainbows, and butterflies, and nothing giving reality of the world that she lives in. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? So yeah, man, let's just have like constructive conversations in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And thank you for supporting the channel. Really, really thank you. Don't forget to get those tickets, and I cannot wait to see you at our event. Thank you.